Okay, but you must open him Facebook below you. Suppose you use him Android phone, you use him straight Facebook application. Okay, you use him Facebook application, you open him, finish, you look tab on top, all tabs on top here, by got one plat tab, by looking mo some house some stuff, this lamb lo marketplace, you open him this la past them, time you open him by looking all products lo all sample businesses all salim lo this la have stuff, by looking location belong him to him stuff. Okay, you can scroll, go down, check him on him product you like him, you can buy him lo hub. I'm all market him all this all something na stuff. Every day it's on market. Suppose you like buy him, you look go left hand side by looking buying button bus stop, button below buy. You can tap him this na buy him. Suppose you like sell him, you look him selling button ya by me use him now lo this la video ya. I'm stop lab, so you may tap him. You look come lo upside by looking up by you put him all something below salim him empty na stop. You got create new listing button to him stop. You can tap him this la. Or lo left hand side you got this la same button to him stop. You can tap him this la too. Lo list him down all something below you. So you may tap him. Time you go inside by looking triple options him stop. Alright, this choose listing type option. Okay, by you choose him whether you want to sell items for sale or you want to list down vehicle for sale or property for sale or rent. These are the three options. For our case, by me using item for sale. Okay, by me using item for sale, so you may tap him this la. Item for sale is anything that you want to sell. It can be from craft to store items. Alright, now you look come upside by looking button by adding all photos, yeah. This la button you can add all photos as many as you want, up to maximum of 10 photos of the products that you want to sell. So you can tap him this la now. We'll just choose one photo of what we are going to sell in this example. So you may upload him picks up, you may finish, add him finish. Now you may scroll go down, you got all requirements by need to fill in. The first one is the title, and that is what going to show at the top. So you can write him anything. For my case, I am using Galaxy A02 as my title. Now you put him down price belong him. In this case here we are going to say $4.99, and then we look for the category. You look category by looking all different or categories all stuff. We have tools, furniture, household, garden, appliance. Okay, they are all listed here. For our case, we are going to use electronics, mobile phones. So you may select him this la mobile phones, and then you look for the condition. We have 4 different conditions: new, used, like new, used and it's in good condition, or used and then it's in fair condition. By me using new or some condition by me, and then after that you have spaces for more details. Okay, spaces for more details here by me fill them all go down. In mobile phones we have compatible mobile phone. You can choose from the list. If you don't have the compatibility listed, you can choose any of them. Okay, in this case I'm just going to choose Samsung Galaxy S20. Then we have watch band material and watch band size. This la not necessary because not salimol this all mobile phones were also very motion watch, yeah. But if you want to fill in other details, other descriptive details that will attract more customers or make your market become interesting so that your friends will follow you, you can list them all, go down low have. And then we have the color. In this example, we have blue, black, and white. So you may fill them all, go down. Blue, denim, black, denim, white. Okay, done. Okay, next. Okay, here we have the description. You can fill in the descriptions of the phone or whatever that you are selling. You fill the description in detail. Okay, in this case here I'll just say full description will come with the package. This one is just for example, so you may fill him also tasol na lusim. The next thing is the availability of the item. We will list as single item. And then we have price tag, let's say 500 kina. And then we have other optional spaces, SKU, and we also have location, and below that we have meetup preferences. There are three options. Okay, we have three options. Public meetup, I think this one is the one that we are going to choose. And then we have other options that you can also choose from there, like door pickup or door drop off. Suppose you can drop him lo doorstep blongol, you can choose him this the last one. Anyway, I think those are the things that you are going to fill. If you look down at the bottom, you may got one plus status bar and stop. This la status bar sa indicating progress flow, how much you are filling into your marketplace. As you fill in the details, that status bar will move across until it completes. When it's complete, by this la button lo tamblo ya by looking come on, it will be highlighted and you will be allowed to use this button to go to the next step, to list down your information such as your business name, contact details, account number, so that your customers will pay directly from the marketplace. Okay, you got narapla condition where you need to meet him, and that's very very important, which I will be talking about in my next video. So you must follow up my next upload on Facebook monetization, but me talk click this la condition where you need to meet him in order for you to easily have access to marketplace on Facebook, and you can make money directly from marketplace in the Facebook. Okay, so this button it will be turned on once you have this condition met. I am uploading my videos on YouTube, so always follow up on my videos. I will be updating more of these videos, especially on how to make money on social media. This is 2025, and by end of this year and towards next year, most people, especially those content creators will be making money online on Facebook and YouTube. We also have TikTok and Telegram, Instagram. All these platforms can be used as a money making tool for online content creators in Papua New Guinea. You can now subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I upload a new video, you should be able to get notification so that you follow up on what I am uploading every time when I upload new video.